Welcome guys, and today we're talking about CSS animation timing function and CSS direction. Let's go. So animation timing function specify whether an animation should be played forward, which is normal, backward, which is reverse, or played in alternate cycles, that is alternate and alternate reverse. While the timing function property tells the speed curve of the animation. So specify the speed curve of the animation. So we have ease, linear, we have ease in and out, we have ease in, we have ease out, and we have cubic brace here. That is a website that gives you a timing function for CSS to create wonderful animation. So they give you the CSS cubic function timing function to put on your website to get the desired timing function you need. So what we'll do now is we'll put in the direction and the timing function in our CSS project and see what we have of it. So let's get right into it. So let's put the direction property for the animation. So let's set the animation direction now. So we have the animation and we have the animation direction. So I said we have normal, then we have reverse, then we have alternate, and we have alternate reverse. So let's try normal. So normal is just moving. Normal is to go from forward, that is forward to backward, that is from red to green, that is from red to green. That is forward. That is normal. So let's check that on our website now. So as you can see, it goes from red to green, from red to green. So let's try the next one, which is reverse. So we have reverse property. So we have the reverse. So let's run this now and see what we have. So it goes from green to red. You can see. So this is a reverse property. So it goes from green to red. That is reverse of the normal process. That's reverse of the normal process. That's from green to red, not red to green. So let's see. We have alternate. We have alternate. We have alternate. Okay. We have alternate. So this works like normal. This works like normal. Goes forward to back and backward forward. So it goes forward to backward and backwards forward. So it goes alternate ways. That is forward, backward, and backward forward. That's how that works. So the last one we have there is alternate reverse. So we can just add alternate and we have reverse on it. So we have alternate reverse. So this goes forward to backward, and you can see backward forward and forward backward, backward forward and forward. That's the reverse of alternate. So that is that is animation direction for you. So you can feel free to experiment with any of it, and don't forget to message me. And if you want to know how I do my videos, it's very easy. The thing I see on the screen now, this is the microphone I use. You can see it on my neck. So, and this is the phone hanger, which is my webcam I use to make my cool videos. So subscribe to my channel and I will give you more of these videos. So let's continue with our project now. So next one, we have the animation timing function. So like I said earlier, this one property specify the speed curve, that is how the animation speed should go. So first one we have 6 of them. So we have ease, we have linear, we have ease in, we have ease out, we have ease in and out. Then we have cubic brace here, which I will not be covering in this lesson because that is another lesson on its own. So I'll take that as another video. I will talk about that. So that is like a website that gives you a timing function. So I'll go to that in a later course. So today we're talking about those 5 of them, which are ease, linear, ease in, ease out, and ease in and out. So let's try them now. So let's add our animation timing function now. So we have animation timing function. So let's use ease. So for ease, it has a slow start, then fast at the middle, then a slow end. A slow beginning, a fast middle, and a slow end, like a pendulum bob. So let's run that and see what we have. Let's save our project and see on the website. Let's see what we have. So when I rerun this now, you can see we have a slow start, fast in the middle, and a slow end. You can see that is his. So this is the normal or default value for timing function. So it is usually his for the default value for the timing function. That is slow start, then fast in the middle, then a slow end. So next we have one, it is linear. By the name linear, it means it goes same speed throughout. That is the same speed throughout. So we have linear. That is the same speed throughout duration. So linear gives it you can see the same speed throughout the duration. So no fasting anywhere and no slowing down anywhere. So it is the same speed throughout the duration of the project, of the animation rather. So we have ease in. So for ease in, it only has a slow start. Then the rest goes normally. So for ease in, for ease in now, only the start is slow, but the rest is normal. So you can see this. You can see that. So only the start of the animation is slow, the rest is linear. So the next one we have there is ease out. We have ease out. So just like ease in works alternately. That is a linear beginning and a slow end. You can see that. A linear beginning and a slow end. You can see that. So that is just it. So a slow end, that is all about it. A slow end. Then we have ease in and out. So we have ease in and out. So we have ease in and out like that, just like that. So this one has a slow start and a slow end together. That is ease in, that is a slow start, and ease out, that is a slow end together in one timing function. So let's run this now and see what we have. Ease in and out. So a slow start and a slow end. So that is it for the timing function. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like the videos and comment, and connect with me on Facebook at Code with Wills, Twitter at Code with Wills, and Instagram at umoswills02. And I'll be setting your comments, and my next video is coming out next week Monday. So stay tuned and like my Facebook page. You get updates from there, and my funny videos pictures and everything. So you get them there. So I'll see you there. Don't sleep on it. Let's go.